Boys and girls. So today we're going to be on our Let's Find Out magazine, and we are going to be using it to learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. So let me show you. Yours will be in your packet. You all got this life cycle of a butterfly that's called A Caterpillar Grows Up. So it will look like this. Mine's the big one. You guys all have the small one. But I am also going to be showing you how to use this using the digital online version because I want you to make sure you can do the games and the videos. So when you go online to find this, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see that this was one from the month of April. So you will click on Let's Find Out A Caterpillar Grows Up, and it will look just like that. And then we will use this to learn about a caterpillar. And there's really cool videos and games here. So I want you to take some time with this. First, let's read. A caterpillar grows up. All right, so while that loads, you'll notice that, and I will move myself out of the way here so that you can make it a little bit smaller even. There we go. All right, so let's find out. A caterpillar grows up. Can you finish the rhyme? This caterpillar crawls. It slowly inches by, but soon it will grow up and change into a and the rhyme is a butterfly. The caterpillar crawls, it slowly inches by, but soon it will grow up and change into a butterfly. So let's watch the video.
The life of a butterfly. This is a butterfly. It flutters from flower to flower, drinking the sweet nectar inside. You can see its big, beautiful wings. But it didn't always look this way. It started inside a teeny tiny egg. A female butterfly had laid that egg on a leaf. After 4 days, the egg hatched. A little caterpillar crawled out. It was so hungry. It ate and ate and ate. Here is the caterpillar 2 weeks later. You can see it got a lot bigger. All those plants it was eating really helped it to grow. But it still needed to eat more. When it was done eating, its skin hardened. It changed into a chrysalis and hung from the stem of a plant.
And our book called it the pupa.
Inside, it was turning into an adult. Its body had totally changed. It had big, wet wings. Its wings dried in the warm sun. At last, it was a beautiful butterfly. Wasn't this metamorphosis amazing? A metamorphosis is the series of changes some animals, like butterflies, go through as they grow from a tiny creature inside an egg to an adult. Moths go through a metamorphosis too. But a moth caterpillar spins a cocoon around itself instead of changing into a chrysalis. So the next time you see a butterfly flutter by, remember all the changes it went through to get that way.
All right, so we've heard some of the same words that were in the book that you heard yesterday, flutter, butterfly, flutter. And this book called that little house that it wraps itself up into and it changes inside of a pupa. And the video and this Let's Find Out will use the word chrysalis, just like your little reader that you were practicing, that big word chrysalis. It's a hard shell that the caterpillar wraps up in there, makes its own shell from its body, and then turns into the butterfly while it's inside of there, and then it opens up. So let's see what's on the next page. All right. So we have from egg to butterfly. Here's a picture of the egg. And remember, that's a super close up picture. The egg of a butterfly is really teeny, teeny, tiny, about that tiny. Tiny. Some of them are even smaller than that. So hard to even see with your own eyes. A caterpillar starts in an egg. Do you think it can fly yet? Answer yes or no. We'll say no. The caterpillar hatches from the egg. Do you think it can fly yet? Yes or no? Not yet. Chrysalis. The caterpillar turns into a chrysalis. Do you think it can fly yet? Yes or no? Not yet. Butterfly. A butterfly comes out. It has wings. Do you think it can fly yet? Yes. And there's a quick little video that shows fluttering butterflies in all different pictures. That the videos show the pictures of their wings, and they're so pretty. Many, many, many different patterns and colors on butterflies. And there it is, sipping that sweet nectar from the flowers. Just like the bees, they like the nectar. All right, now look at these butterflies that are all down below. They all look different. Do all butterflies look the same? The answer is no. Butterflies can be many colors and patterns. Which is your favorite? Now, this is just 5 different ones. There are probably thousands. This is a red lacewing butterfly. This is the white admiral butterfly. This is the Adonis blue butterfly. The banded orange tiger butterfly. I think it's probably called a tiger butterfly because it's the colors of a tiger and it has stripes. It's cool. Or the green birdwing butterfly. So which one is your favorite? Look at those choices and pick one. I think it's hard to pick because I think they're all beautiful. I think this Adonis blue one is really, really pretty. Now, something you'll notice about a butterfly is the pattern on this side of the wing matches the pattern on the other side. They are like twins. This wing and this pattern will not ever be different than the pattern and the colors on the other side. That is called symmetry. Symmetry means the same. So if that butterfly closed its wings on top of each other, its colors would be exactly the same. And I'm going to show you how to color something with symmetry today to make it be the same. So notice they're the same on both sides. Let's go on to the next page. And this is your activity on the back. Now this shows different butterflies and different caterpillars. What kind of butterfly? Read the chart to see what each caterpillar looks like when it grows up. This is the blue morpho. That's what the caterpillar looks like, and this is the butterfly that it changes into. This is the monarch butterfly. This is what the caterpillar looks like, and this is what the butterfly looks like that it changes into. That's the video that we just saw, and that's what we noticed the same colors. This is the 88 butterfly. So its number is an 88, and you'll see why. So this is what the caterpillar looks like. That's very unique. It does not look the same. And this is what the butterfly looks like. And if you notice, it looks like it has 2 number 8s. It looks like there's an 8 and an 8 on its wings. Those aren't numbers, those are just rings. That it's called an 88 butterfly. So I'm going to zoom in on that so you can really see it. So cool. Super, super cool. Now we have questions. Which caterpillar grows up to look like this butterfly, the blue morpho. So you have to look up here and find the picture that matches. So it looks like this one would be that answer. Which caterpillar grows up to look like this butterfly? And that looks like it's your monarch butterfly. And the monarch caterpillar looks like this. Which caterpillar grows up to look like the 88 butterfly? And there he is. I'll zoom in on that so you can see him. He's pretty cool. Looks like he has antlers like a deer. Okay, now we have a bonus question. Which butterfly's name is a number? So its name is not a word, its name is a number. I'm going to let you look up there at the names of all the butterflies. Blue morpho, monarch, or 88. And you pick the one that's name is a number. So that's pretty cool that his name is a number. All right. So now we will go back to pick 88.
Good work.
There. All right. So boys and girls, I am going to now show you how to color a butterfly using symmetry. So I'm going to try to make this a little bit bigger so you can see. And while that gets bigger, all right, I'm going to go back to this book. So the book that you had, and I'm going to get markers out. I'm going to pick a couple different colors because I notice butterflies are many, many, many different colors. Now, when I color something with symmetry, it means whatever you color on one side has to be exactly the same on the other. So if I color the top stripe on this side with orange, I have to color the top stripe on this side with orange. Okay. Then maybe I'll make a pattern. Maybe I'll do orange, yellow, pink, red. So this one would be orange. And then I have to go over here and color the matching one. Okay, so orange, yellow, pink, red, orange. So I picked my colors, and now I'm going to go over onto this side. And I'll put that one away, and I'll pick out my yellow marker. You can use crayons, whatever you want. And I'm going to do yellow as the next stripe, and then I have to do yellow over here. So there is symmetry. It has to be the same. Under this orange one, I'll make this one be. So you don't have to make a pattern like mine. You can pick your own pattern. But whatever you do on one side, you have to do it the same on the other because that's how butterflies are. That's just how they really are. I think I'll make my next color be pink. So you don't have to use these colors, but you do have to make them be the same. They have symmetry. I'll make pink here and pink here. I'm almost done. I didn't use my red yet, so I'll use red. And I'll make this stripe be red. And I'll make this stripe be red. And then down here, I'm going to make this one red. So I have to make this one red. Now while I have my red out, I think I might like to make this part red. And then maybe I'll even keep the red out. I like this red color. And I'm going to do this side red and this side red. And I'm almost done. I maybe use a little bit more red. I'll do a red stripe here and a red stripe here. I'll have to get out my, maybe I'll go back to yellow. And I'll do this outside part yellow. And I'll do this outside part yellow. I need my orange again. And I'll make an orange stripe on this side, so I have to do an orange stripe on this side. And I think I'll make the last one be pink. Pink. And then the body of the butterfly, oftentimes I see the body is black or brown or gray. It can be lots of different colors, but I think I'll pick black for mine. So that is how you make a butterfly using the same colors so that there is symmetry. One side matches the other side. And the best part about this book is there are many butterflies in it, so you can choose some different colors for a different butterfly. Oh, there it is. And you can make a different butterfly using different colors and using your symmetry. So I hope you liked that lesson and Let's Find Out magazine. There is also a game that you can play. So I'm going to make myself a little smaller here so I can go back to the game. And the game was way back here on page 1. There is the game. Let me show you the game so you know how to play it. And you guys are so smart. You always figure these games out. The way that it works, it's putting the steps of the butterfly life cycle in order.
What's the order? Put the steps of the butterfly life cycle in order. Swallowtail butterfly. Drag the pictures to put them in order. Click All Done to check your answers.
So this is the swallowtail butterfly. This is like the one that we saw in the book that I read with you. So I'm going to move, we'll start as an egg, and then the caterpillar comes out, and then the pupa or chrysalis, and last is the butterfly. And then we can check our answers, and then you'll get
Now add labels to the pictures.
label words.
Click All Done to check your answers.
So we'll say
Egg,
caterpillar,
chrysalis, butterfly.
And check our answers. And next,
Now try it with a different
will
kind
see
of butterfly.
different butterflies.
Blue morpho butterfly.
So you can
Drag
continue.
the pictures to put them in order.
You can
Click
continue
All
playing
Done
this
to
game.
check your answers.
Oops, she's still talking. You can continue playing this game, boys and girls, and practice putting the butterflies cycle in order. Practice putting the pictures in order and then matching the words so you can see different butterflies. I hope you love this lesson as much as I do learning about butterflies.